Hey, know what to say, didn't you?
Oh yeah, what's the saying?
Nice on the phone, add 10 stone. Welcome back. It's the sun is shining and it's engine out there. It's all got to come off today. Take the ECUs out now, I think. Get them bubble wrapped so they're safe. Everything must go. It's left me unsupervised, so anything could happen now. Hey. Brake servo's out. Bit of a bastard to get that split pin out and pull this locating pin in. You have to undo the brackets for these inside the car, which are these 4 bolts here. And once you slacken them off, you can widen these enough, and you can pry these apart to get that pin out, and then obviously the whole thing then will slide off the bracket, which is connected through to the brake pedal. And just on the alternator now, obviously the top adjuster one's out. The 2 bottom ones, you have to go from underneath, you can't get them from above here, not very easily anyway.
Yeah, take that out. We get the shafts out. We take it off, we'll just snap it off. Snap it off.
If it was me, I'd probably just jack up at the front, wheels off, dry shafts out. And then
Lift the fucker out. All day. And Rod, you alright?
As far as she goes, isn't it? That's it. Right. Yeah. No, what? Food! Food! Don't worry, if it falls through the car, I'll edit it out.
Just pump out the ramp. Pump.
Okay, how quick am I going to have to go? Go on then.
Obviously. Aaron's good.
Hey?
Aaron's good. You good? Here we are.
I'll do it, I'll do it.
That's everything, isn't it?
Is that the computer that's up?
No, it's Roz Hughes, does it?
Oh.
He likes doing it when you've got your head under the bonnet too. He finds his stroke never ending every day. Oh, it's gonna come out!
yeah, okay.
He's on car yet. Raj!
Look, whoa! This is the wall you did yesterday. You did the wall yesterday. Next day, fucking rings up, he's waiting for you, where the fuck are you going? He rings up, 7 days, he goes, I'm not making it today. Or something in there, and you're on that fucking
Some Rod Nuzzle Day just revs cars and plays the horn. Sliding baby, right? Yeah! Home time!
Roger's giving it a quick blow job. We're going to go and deliver this today to the welder on the flatbed, and then bring the RS2000 home today as well, back to the garage. Still leaking water. 2 weeks after we took the rad out. We've just literally thrown it out in one solid lump with the gearbox still intact. We've got to separate all that. Obviously we've got the engine rebuild to do as well. Gearbox has got to go off and be done. We want to upgrade the diff that's in it. We've still got plenty to go, huh? It's the first time we've had that car in the air. We've got plenty of air like that. So the engine's out, gearbox is out, hooray! We're going to send it off now. We're going to take it on the recovery truck across to the welder and bring the RS2000 back. So that's it for this chapter. Fantastic. Can't wait to see it when it comes back with no more rust on it. And then start on the RS2000, isn't that right, guys?
Yeah.
I think it's talking to yourself. That's it for today's video. So thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.